What if I told you the biggest difference between a millionaire and everyone else isn't luck, it isn't a high-paying job, and it isn't even intelligence? The real difference is mindset. Because before people become wealthy, they first change the way they think. Self-made millionaires don't see money the way most people do. They make different decisions. They solve problems differently. They take calculated risks. And over time, those small differences create extraordinary wealth. In this video, we'll reveal the secret mindset of self-made millionaires and the habits that help them build wealth from nothing. By the end, you may start looking at money and your future in a completely different way. Let's begin. Most people focus on today, today's paycheck, today's bills, today's entertainment. Self-made millionaires think years ahead, sometimes decades. When they make financial decisions, they ask one important question. Will this help me 5 years from now? Instead of chasing instant gratification, they focus on delayed rewards. Because they understand time is one of the most valuable assets anyone can own. Before investing in stocks or businesses, they invest in themselves. They read books, learn new skills, improve communication, study sales, master technology, build discipline. Because the greatest investment is becoming more valuable. The more value you create, the more opportunities you attract. Most people complain about problems. Millionaires look for solutions. Every problem in the world represents an opportunity. Businesses exist because they solve problems. The bigger the problem you solve, the more valuable your solution can become. That's why successful entrepreneurs ask, "What can I improve?" Instead of asking, "Why is this happening to me?" Many people work for money. Self-made millionaires build systems where money works for them. They own assets, businesses, stocks, rental properties, digital products, investments that can continue creating value over time. They understand there are only so many hours in a day, but assets can keep working even while they sleep. Fear, greed, excitement, panic. These emotions destroy wealth. Self-made millionaires don't eliminate emotions. They learn to control them. When markets fall, they don't automatically panic. When everyone becomes excited, they don't blindly follow the crowd. They make decisions based on research, not emotions. The world changes constantly. Technology evolves, markets shift, new opportunities appear. Successful millionaires remain lifelong students. They read daily, study successful people, learn new skills, adapt to change. Because knowledge compounds, just like money. Self-made millionaires aren't reckless. They don't gamble everything. They calculate risk. They research, prepare, plan, and then they take action. They understand something many people forget. Doing nothing can sometimes be the biggest risk of all. Perhaps becoming wealthy starts long before your bank account changes. It starts with your mindset. Thinking long-term, learning continuously, controlling emotions, building valuable skills, taking calculated risks, and focusing on creating value for others. Because wealth isn't usually built overnight. It's built through thousands of smart decisions, repeated consistently over many years. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more finance, investing, and wealth-building content. And let us know in the comments, which millionaire mindset habit are you going to start using today?